Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 movers cheap Kuna, local and long distance movers near me. A long distance move covers over 50 miles within a state or outside a state. We have valid licenses to carry out long distance moves. We work closely with local federal authorities in charge of long distance relocations, so we encounter no hassle during the transportation of your items. Our movers are careful and organize your belongings correctly. We also have adequate moving trucks. Our trucks secure your items and prevent any form of damages. Our drivers are professional. They know every highway regulation and follow them. Your items get to your location in excellent condition and on time, so you can rest assured of a stress-free moving experience with us. Local movers are generally less expensive than long-distance movers. Our local distances services are the best in Kuna, Idaho. We are a favorite of the locals because we deliver exceptional services at budget-friendly prices. We charge as low as $30 to $40 per hour. We have excellent customer service and work with your schedule and budget. We know all the local and major routes, and we know how to move your belongings promptly. Your local move is in competent hands when you hire our services. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Kuna moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.